Welcome back to AutoBuzz TV***, where we bring you the latest and most unique vehicles from around the world. If you love compact, efficient, and futuristic rides, you're in for a treat. Today, we're checking out a game changer in the world of micro-mobility, the *2026 DRT Tiny Home Camper Tricycle. This isn't just any trike, it's a complete tiny home on three wheels designed for urban explorers, adventure seekers, and minimalists who love the open road without sacrificing comfort. So, what makes this futuristic ride so special? First, let's talk about the design. The DRT Tiny Home Camper Tricycle features a sleek, aerodynamic frame built for efficiency and comfort. It's lightweight yet sturdy, with a reinforced aluminum chassis that ensures durability while keeping the weight down. The trike's compact design makes it easy to maneuver through city streets while offering enough space to serve as a functional camper. Now, onto power and performance. The 2026 DRT is equipped with an electric motor-assisted pedaling system *, giving you the best of both worlds, *** human-powered movement with the option for electric assistance when needed. The motor is powered by a high-capacity lithium battery *, providing a range of up to 100 miles on a single charge. Whether you're navigating city streets or heading off-grid for a weekend getaway, this trike has you covered. And speaking of off-grid living, let's talk about the living space. Despite its compact size, the DRT Tiny Home Camper packs a surprising amount of functionality. The interior features a foldable bed, a mini kitchenette, and even solar panels mounted on the roof to power your essentials. There's a water filtration system for fresh drinking water, and the modular storage compartments allow for smart organization. For connectivity, the DRT tricycle comes with a built-in smart dashboard *, GPS navigation, and app-controlled climate settings. You can monitor battery life, adjust lighting, and even track your ride statistics through your smartphone. Safety is also a top priority. The tricycle is equipped with advanced braking systems, LED lighting for night rides, and a reinforced weatherproof shell to keep you protected from the elements. Who is this tiny home camper tricycle for? It's perfect for urban nomads, digital nomads, eco-conscious travelers, and anyone who wants to explore the world without the burden of a full-size vehicle. It's compact, sustainable, and packed with features that make long-distance travel not just possible but enjoyable. So, what do you think about the *2026 DRT Tiny Home Camper Tricycle? Could this be the future of minimalist travel? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AutoBuzz TV** for more incredible vehicle reviews. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.